Hi everyone, this is the weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Thursday, July 6th. We do have some more rain and storms returning to the forecast beginning today, and we'll see those continuing basically on and off as we go through Friday and even into Saturday, but we should be drying things out for the second half of the weekend and into early next week. So that kind of covers some of the key points we're going to be talking about through this briefing this morning. Again, with that chance for some showers and storms today through Saturday, not everyone is going to see rain and storms, but some that we do see today could produce some gusty winds, about 35, 40 miles per hour, and even a little bit of some small hail. We're going to start to dry things out as we get into the second half of the weekend, and temperatures are going to be warming up too in quite a big way as we get into Monday, especially looking to be the hottest day of the year so far for most of us around the area. So kind of a heads up on that. So our weather risk outlook grid shows that chance for a few showers and storms. For most of us, a little bit better chance in some of the higher elevations over the next couple of days. Sunday, it looks pretty quiet for us as a ridge of high pressure kind of builds in a bit more, has a bit more strength in the second half of the weekend there. And that continues into Monday and Tuesday. Monday, like I said, going to be the hottest day of the year, looks like it, at least for a good portion of the area. So it is going to be hot. Just keep that in mind. Likely see some heat impacts as we get into the early part of next week there. Satellite this morning shows not a whole lot going on. We do have a few more clouds out there this morning. Not so much in eastern Idaho, but kind of around us, to our north, to our west, to our south. Again, still some showers ongoing there. We're going to see a little bit more of this working its way into the area today. Again, this going to be providing that chance for some rain and storms for us as we get into this afternoon and this evening. High temperatures today, going to be a couple degrees warmer for most of us compared to yesterday. A lot of us in the Snake Plain making it back into the mid and upper 80s. Few getting closer to that 90-degree mark, likely not quite hitting it, but won't be too far off. Everyone else is pretty much in the 70s. Wind gusts as we get into this afternoon likely be closer to about 20, 25 miles per hour for a few areas, mainly out across parts of the Arco Desert, Mud Lake area. Otherwise, about 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts. So here's where we see the best chance for some of those showers and storms as we get into this afternoon and this evening, continuing into early tonight. Again, more so into parts of the Central Mountains, up into the Island Park area, but can't completely rule out a stray shower or storm down through some parts of the southern hills either. So here is one model's take on what that might look like. We'll let this loop through a little bit here, showing some of those showers and storms getting going through parts of the Central Mountains into part of the Arco Desert area. I think the better chance for some of those potentially stronger storms be up closer to the Island Park area, the upper Snake Plain, and a little bit of the eastern highlands there. Again, rain and storms certainly won't be for everyone. A lot of us will stay dry as we go throughout the day today. Tomorrow, almost a repeat actually for our afternoon highs. Again, still a lot of us in the mid and upper 80s. Winds a little bit lighter in a few spots, generally gusts up to about 20 miles per hour or so. Then we get into the weekend. While we will still see a few showers and storms around on Saturday, our temperatures are going to be gradually warming. A few more of us making a run at or even reaching the 90-degree mark. And then we get into Sunday, and we pretty much all jump into the low to mid 90s for afternoon highs, and we get even warmer on Monday. So yeah, pretty much all the Snake Plain looking at temperatures pushing the mid and upper 90s. Right now, it doesn't look like anybody's going to hit the 100-degree mark. We'll keep an eye on this, though, of course, as we go through the next few days and get closer to the Sunday-Monday time frame. But yes, it is going to be quite hot. So, like I mentioned, we will see a chance for a few showers and storms as we go through today and even tomorrow and Saturday. We'll be drying out more so into the second half of the weekend and early next week. But as we dry things out, temperatures are going to increase quite a bit, with most of us in the mid and upper 90s by Monday. Tuesday, pretty much a repeat. We'll see our winds pick up a little bit more on Tuesday, so that could raise a few concerns as far as our fire weather goes, but again, we'll be keeping an eye on that as we get closer to it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the forecast, of course, you can always give us a phone call, send us an email, or connect with us on social media. Have a great day.